welcome back. Today I have my second Fashom box. I recently had gotten asked to review Fashom, I think if you were watching my channel a couple of weeks ago. So I did the first box and I really liked the process and definitely the pricing. So I thought, why not do a second box? Moreover, Fashom had offered me 2 boxes free of charge. So here it is, the second box. So let's take a look and dig right in. So there's the paperwork to begin with. Let's put that to the side. With Fashom, you also get a return envelope to mail anything back that you don't want to keep. And let's take a look at the burrito, the package. So with Fashom, you're able online to, when you go into the app or on the website, they have both, to pick and choose from a bunch of items. I believe my stylist had me look at a total of, I think it was 7 or 8 items, and you have to choose and get it down to 5. So here are, again, the 5 items in this package. Let's open it up, let's take a look. I'm very excited because, again, the prices looked pretty good. The first of the items was, I love these already, I thought they were going to be a lighter pink, but this is actually, I don't know if it's going to come up on camera, but it's almost like a lighter coral pink, that color of the year. These are by Articles of Society. These are the Sarah Skinny Ankle. I don't know if you recall, I got the mint green ones last month. I think these are the same. I have to try them on to see the fit, but I think they're pretty much the same, but in this pink coral color. So I'm very excited because I love Articles of Society. Next up, a camo. I know I've had camo leggings, and I also tried on in a recent trunk club camo colored pants. I still have my trunk club actually, so I have to make a decision. These are, I believe, by Wild Honey. I'm excited to see. This cut looks a little different from the trunk club ones. The trunk club ones had, you can see the bottom of these, it's like an elastic on the bottom. They were just straight leg with a little cutout. So I'm excited to see how these fit. I probably will decide between these and the ones that were in my trunk club in the end, but excited to see these. So let's put these to the side. Oh, this looks so pretty. This is the first time in an actual box that I'm getting a floral kimono. I had asked in a couple of my boxes for a kimono. This one, I don't know if you can see it, it's like a floral, there you go, floral print. And this is by Davi and Dani. Let's decide. We'll try that on soon. Next is by 22nd. And it is in that mustard color. It has florals, it's white, reds, gray tones, and then, I don't know if you can see, the back looks like it's a waffle knit. Might be a little see-through, might need a camisole underneath or a layering tank, but very cute. Oh, and the sleeves have like an elastic, so we will try that on. Again, excited to see. I liked everything that I saw being picked out for me this time out as well. And last but not least is a chambray top, but this chambray top has, I don't know if you can see it on right below the collar, has some flower detail, so very pretty and a little different. And oh, I didn't see this in the picture, but also on the sleeve, let's see, there you go, the sleeve has some floral detail as well. So really different and very pretty. Oh my goodness, and I even missed the back has flowers too. So again, these are the 5 pieces that I ended up choosing for box number 2. Very excited because again, I could see even the pricing, and the pricing looks great so far, but I will get to pricing in a little bit. So hang on, and I will be right back with my try on. Okay, I am back with the first 2 items out of the 5 in the box. The first item is the Floral Kimono, which, let me get my paperwork real quick. This was by Davi and Dani. This is the Floral Kimono. Not seeing a size on this. I think it's a size small, or maybe just one size because it is a kimono. Very, very pretty. I don't know. I know I showed you the flower detail before, but I mean, just in those pinks and the mauves and the coral colors for the spring and the summer. Also, let me bring you down. I'm also wearing the Sarah, the skinny pant, and these are in that pink. It appears a little lighter on camera, but it is almost a little deeper and darker pink. They fit very similar to the mint green pants I've got in my last Fashom box. I don't know if you can see. They are a little long on me. They're supposed to be an ankle, but they don't really fit me as an ankle. I'd have to wear them, which I did on this leg. I just rolled them, probably either with a flip-flop or a sandal, even a booty on a cooler day, possibly, but very, very cute. I like the color. So this was the first of the outfits. Again, I just put, okay, I am back with the second top. This is the chambray top with the floral detail. It is on the sleeve. That's the other thing. I cuffed one sleeve up and you do lose the floral detail, I realized, but I don't know if I'd want to wear it completely down. It is kind of long if I wear it down. I don't know if you can see, it covers my hand. It's cute though. Like I said, I like that floral detail, but you lose it. I normally wear my button-down shirts like this cuffed. I want to take you down a little so you can see the length of this and also possibly that back detail. But this is the length. I mean, it comes down definitely below the pockets. It's about the same length in the back. I thought, well, maybe a front tuck. You definitely don't lose the floral detail in the back if you front tuck it. If you can see, you can still see that floral detail. I mean, it's cute and it's different and it's pretty. I'm really not sure though. Let's get to the next top and pants. Okay, I'm back with the next top. This is the last one that's in the box. This top is the 22nd, the floral contrast, the waffle top. So the top itself, very pretty front color in that mustard with some flowers that are white, gray. There's some reds running through this top. Very, very pretty pattern. The arms and the sleeves are that like waffle. It's not really sheer. I thought it was gonna be more sheer. It's a lightweight material and that actually runs around to the back. Now I paired them only for the video with the camo, you'll see them, the Wild Honey, the camo military pants. So let me bring you down so you can take a look at these. So here you go. These are very, very high waist. And they're actually a little big on me. They're cute. I'm not sure though if they're the right fit, to be honest. But anyways, they have 2 pockets on the side. The back are not functioning pockets. It's just kind of like a flap, and that's on both sides. On the leg, there is a working pocket here. It's very, very deep. And then the ankle is a It's elastic. So, I mean, a cute and nice camo pant. But I actually got another one in my trunk club, so I have a decision to make at this point. But anyways, I'll be right back with the wrap up with all these items. So welcome back. And now for the wrap up. So let's take a look at what was in my envelope from before. Hello, beautiful. The card says, Better As I Am. And on the back, it gives you a whole bunch of instructions. So it says, what's next? Number 1, try everything on in the comfort of your home, which I've done. Number 2, buy what you like and send back the rest. So that's what we're going to do next. And number 3, you use your prepaid mailer, return the items you do not want. Number 4, need an exchange. And number 5, save an animal. Fashom. For each Fashom box, we contribute $1 to Second Chance Rescue New York City Dogs. That part I absolutely love. And I know I said it in my last video, but I just cannot get enough of it. And number 6, tell us what you think. So you have to give feedback. So let's go through and let's give a little feedback. So the first item was the Wild Honey. These are the camo military pants. These were $38. Where do I begin? Well, I like the camo print, and I've been dying to get a pair of pants in the camo print. I don't know if I love the fit. To be honest, they were a little too high-waisted for me. I had hopes because for $38, these seem like they could be a great option. But I recently tried on a pair in my trunk club, if you watched that video already, and I think I'm leaning towards keeping those and just sending these back. Those were a couple more dollars, but they fit better and they looked nicer. So all in all, I think these are going back. Next up, the Davi and Dani, the Floral Kimono. This is $34. I like this. This is a possible maybe. I do have a couple of kimonos if you watched my haul video and if you watched my trends on, but again, it's very pretty and it is a maybe. So I'm going to put that to the side. I have to do some pricing and go from there. Next up was the 22nd, the Floral Contrast Waffle Top. This was $39. Actually, after I tried this on, I have to show you something. Let me see if I can find it now. And I didn't know if it was meant to be that way, but I believe there is a hole in this top. I don't know if you can see it, but right here where my finger is poking through. So if you look, it's in the, it's hard to show you, but it's in the chest area. So here's the top. Here's the hole. So I think this blouse is actually damaged. So even if I was to keep it, I would have to see about possibly exchanging it. I'm not sure, to be honest. I need to actually try it on with different pants because again, I only put it on with the camo just for the sake of combining things and keeping this video on the shorter side. I don't know if I love it enough to even exchange it. So I'm really not sure. I'm going to put it to the side. I'm going to think. You've saw it on me. Let me know your thoughts. Next up, these are the Articles of Society. These are the Sarah Skinny Ankle Pant. And they don't say the color on here. I don't know if it's on the tag. Oh, these are, the color is Nevis. Like I said, they're like a pinkish, coralish color, and these are $73. They're the same amount as the mint green that were in my previous box. Again, I like these, and I love Articles of Society, so I'm going to put these to the side. I don't know if I'm keeping 3 or more in this box at this point, so it really depends on that, because $73 and I'm not using the discount might not be worth it, but it is a possibility. So that's going to go in my maybe as well. Last up was the, this was also David and Dani. This was the Rustic Floral accent denim shirt. So the chambray top with the floral accents, 37. I'm not so sure. I like the floral on it. It's cute. I just don't know if I love it. Again, it's a maybe. I'm going to put it to the side because I have to see with that buy 3 discount if I'm going to use that this time or not. Again, you saw everything on me. I would love to know your thoughts. That said, I think we went through everything. If you were to keep all 5, the subtotal is $221. The 3+ items discount is 25%, so that would take off $55.25. So the total for all 5 is $165.75. Again, I don't think I'm keeping all 5 out of this box. I'm not even sure I'm keeping the 3 for the discount. I really got to do some pricing and, play around with this. But I would love to hear your thoughts and your comments from this box. So please, this time out I'm struggling a little bit, so I really would appreciate any thoughts you have as to what you saw on me. That said, that was another fashion box. That wraps up box number 2. I thank you for spending a little bit of time with me to see the items, to see me try them on, to see me give my feedback at the end. I think that's it. That wraps it up. So have a wonderful day. I will see you soon. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do. And if you have, thank you so much. Also, if you like this video, please give me the thumbs up. And with that, I wish you a wonderful rest of your day. See you again soon. Bye for now.